Hi, this is Steve from SewingGold.com. We have a customer with an issue with a US Stitchline SL718-2. So we're going to show on, this is a used one, we've got the same principle, so it's got the same parts. So the problem is, this piece on theirs is loose, okay? And what that means is that it is not, there's no pressure between, if you could pull that over, Alberto. So if you see that the piece I'm moving is not touching that pin, okay? So we gotta get that pin closer and then it will engage for the skip stitch. So right now the skip stitch isn't working. So Alberto, watch out, in a sec. So the 2-to-1 is not working. It's just staying at 1-to-1. So what we need to do is we are going to loosen a screw. Let me show you which one. All right, we're gonna loosen this screw until we have contact. Okay, so what you need is a little wrench just to loosen that nut and then a screwdriver. So I'm gonna video while Alberto's doing that. Let me just zoom in. While he's doing that. So he's just loosening that screw. All right, let's see what it looks like now, Alberto. Do it again. Do it again. Okay, so now as you can see, they're touching. And then it springs out. So just adjust that piece until you get that spring load. And like I said, it's gonna be that screw right there. So the screw on the upper left. Okay, so loosen to have better contact. If there's too much pressure, then you could tighten that screw. Okay, if you have any questions or comments, please leave below. I'm Steve from SewingGold.com. Thank you.